Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change nickname on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm in my own server and I'm going to show you how to change my own nickname. So here is my ID. So I'm right clicking above my ID and then click on edit server profile. And here is the nickname option, so I'm going to change the nickname to NK and then click on save changes and close this, and here we can see my nickname has been changed. And now let's see how to change other nicknames. So here is another user and I want to change his nickname, so I'm right clicking above his profile and click on change nickname, and I'm here giving a new nickname, save. So here you can see the nickname has been changed. So this is how we can change nickname on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.